Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Spencer and I'm going to be talking about how to use Google Slides today. So first off, you're gonna go on to Google Slides, which Google Slides is really nice. I really like it compared to like PowerPoint. It's very similar, but what I like about it most is like you can have several people on Google Slides working and editing the Google slide at the same time. So we're gonna start with a blank slide real quick. So up here on the left-hand corner, you'll see it says blank. You just press on that. And on the right-hand side here, you'll see it says themes. I'm just going to click on a simple theme right now, like this one. And I'm going to make a title of how to make brownies. All right. So then if you go and do a right click on this side here, you can put in a new slide. We'll need several new slides, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so I already have on a Word document all of my information, so I'm going to go there and copy and paste the information onto the slide. Okay. And you'll see up here that you have all of your main menu stuff, so you can edit things and make them like bigger in size so you can read it a lot better too. And there's the last one. All right, so now I have the last one here. So another thing with Google Slides that's really cool is you can insert photos. So you can go to images, you can upload an image from your computer, or like you can use Google Images and search. So I'm going to search eggs because you need eggs for brownies. I'm just going to click on the second image here. I like it. And you can go ahead and insert it and just make it whatever size you want in the slide. So now you can also add videos into your slides. So you can also go into insert and you can do video, and you can search any video on YouTube. So what we're going to do is search how to make brownies. Search it. And I like the video that first came up, so I'm just going to click on it, and it really like uploads it nicely onto this. So basically, once you've made your slideshow, we're just going to go ahead and start the presentation. So you click on slideshow. First you click on your first slide and click on slideshow. So here we go. It's how to make brownies. Click through it. go through your presentation, and then you can watch your video at the very end or wherever you choose. All right, thank you so much. That is how you use Google Slides.